180 miles west of Shannon, 995. Expected fastnet 994 by 1800 Friday. Low Hebrides 1003. Expected Norwegian Basin 1000 by same time. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking north at Sierra, south at Sierra, 40s, Cromarty 4th. Variable, mainly southerly or southwesterly 3 or 4. Thundery showers. Good, occasionally moderate. Tyne, Dogger. Southwest, backing southeast 3 or 4. Thundery showers. Good, occasionally moderate. Fisher, German Bight. West 4 or 5 at first in Fisher, otherwise variable 3 or 4. Thundery showers. Good, occasionally moderate. Humber, Thames. Southeast 3 or 4, becoming cyclonic 4 or 5 later in Thames. Showers, rain later. Good. Dover, White, Portland. Variable becoming south 3 or 4, increasing 5 or 6, veering southwest later. Showers, then thundery rain. Good, becoming moderate, occasionally poor. Plymouth, North Biscay. Southerly veering southwesterly, then westerly later, 5 to 7, perhaps gale 8 later. Rain or thundery showers. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. South Biscay, variable 4, becoming westerly 5 to 7 later. Rain later. Moderate or good. South Trafalgar, northerly 4 or 5. Fair. Good. North Trafalgar, southeast Fitzroy. Southwesterly 5 to 7, veering northwesterly 4 or 5 later. Occasional rain. Good, occasionally poor. Northwest Fitzroy, Seoul. Southerly, veering westerly or northwesterly 5 to 7, perhaps gale 8 later. Rain or thundery showers. Good, occasionally poor. Lundy, fastnet. South, becoming cyclonic 5 to 7, decreasing 4 for a time, perhaps gale 8 later in fastnet. Rain or thundery showers. Good, occasionally poor. Irish Sea, south 4 or 5, backing east, then becoming cyclonic 5 or 6. Rain or showers. Good, occasionally poor. Shannon, cyclonic becoming northwest 5 to 7, perhaps gale 8 later. Rain or squally showers. Good, occasionally poor. Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, Fair Isle, southeast Faroes. Cyclonic becoming mainly northerly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later, becoming variable 3 or 4 at times. Rain or showers, occasionally thundery. Good, occasionally moderate. Northwest Faroes, southeast Iceland. Northerly 3 or 4, increasing 5 or 6. Showers, fog patches at first. Moderate or good, occasionally very poor at first. Now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tiree automatic. South-southwest 2, slight rain, 7 miles.